Hello and welcome to a look at our premium Canadian red cedar sauna bucket and ladle set. This kit uses natural cedar wood, which smells amazing and resists high heat in traditional home spas. The bucket holds 1 gallon of water and features a sturdy rope handle for easy carrying. We included a plastic liner to protect the wood from cracking or staining over long-term use. Use the matching wooden ladle to pour water over hot rocks without lifting the heavy bucket. This simple process creates a humid environment to help you fully relax during your sauna session. Elevate your home spa experience with these durable and beautiful cedar accessories designed for comfort. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.